Makerspace is actually a movement around the world where we give opportunities to students to actually tinker with things hands-on. So any idea that they have in their mind, if they want to build it, to demonstrate it, to create something, then in the Makerspace at IIT Bombay, we want to make sure that they have the tools at their disposal to make it possible.
So Makerspace as a concept exists in the West, and we are not just bringing it here to IIT Bombay, but we are developing it further. We are introducing the Makerspace and the tinkering activities for first year undergraduate students right in their curriculum, which is probably happening for the first time globally.
So since childhood, I have been thinking that how do drone or anything like that works. But through this project, I literally got to experience how does things like these work since we were creating a drone by our own.
This team, I really loved working with them, and we all made the best out of it, and we learned so many new skills.
Makerspace allows the students to learn doing things versus the traditional classes where you teach them how to do things. So sometimes it may not culminate in anything in a theoretical class, but this one, it culminates in a product that comes a day.
Here we learn what happens in real life, so we can become better engineers, because when we get out of the college, we will be dealing in real life problems.
They're exposed to very sophisticated instruments and they get to use it. So it kind of we see that all of them, they find it very tough because in terms of time and the activity, but at the end, all of them enjoy being able to do something with their hands, and that part they all enjoy.
Definitely improved my practical knowledge on many things like soldering or 3D modeling or many mechanical as well as electrical aspects. So actually got to experience how to do stuff practically. Whenever we made a mistake, we go back and we correct them. So I felt like a true engineer.
We made two things, one controller and the bot, the drone. So we used AutoCAD and we made the PCB by ourselves. We designed it and we soldered it by ourselves. So yeah, it was really fun.
I really like the course, Makerspace MS 101, because, we can be very creative with what we are doing.
This opened a lot more of research areas and also perspectives in my mind. It gave me an experience in how to solve like open-ended problems. So I could really help a lot in future research projects.
This is the first time they really get a flavor of what real engineering is about. And from the design principles to execution, they go through that entire exercise. And therefore, this is the first such exercise which should indeed motivate them to do, go further into hands-on, activities in engineering.